In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint Presenter View on a single monitor. If you've ever wished you could see your notes and stay in control while presenting on just one screen, this walkthrough is for you. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and loading the presentation you plan to deliver. With your file open, head to the top of the window and select the Slideshow tab on the ribbon. Here, turn on Use Presenter View. This doesn't immediately change what you see, but it enables presenter features like notes, a timer, and navigation tools. Because we're working with a single monitor, PowerPoint won't automatically split your content the way it does with two displays. The easiest workaround is to present in a movable window so you can keep your slides visible while also viewing your notes. To set that up, still on the Slideshow tab, click Set Up Slideshow. In the dialog that appears, choose Browsed by an Individual window, then click OK. And this tells PowerPoint to run the slideshow inside a resizable window instead of taking over your entire screen. Now start your slideshow, click from beginning or press F5 on your keyboard. Your slides will appear in a separate window you can drag, resize, and position wherever it's most comfortable. This flexibility lets you place the slideshow on one side of your screen and keep your notes handy on the other. To view your notes, switch to Normal View in your main PowerPoint window and open the Notes pane at the bottom. You can adjust the pane height so your speaking points are easy to read, keep the slideshow window in front for your audience, and refer to your notes in the background, or arrange the two windows side by side so you can see both at once. While presenting, use the arrow keys to move forward and back through slides. If you need to jump around, select the slide thumbnail in Normal View, and the slideshow will follow your selection, giving you precise control without exposing your notes. There's also an alternative method you can try. Start the slideshow normally so it's full screen, right-click on the slide and choose Show Presenter View if you see that option. Availability can vary by version and setup, but it's worth checking. Before you present live, practice a quick run-through to get comfortable switching focus between your slides and notes. Keep your notes concise and rely on the arrow keys for smooth navigation. With windowed mode and a little preparation, you can deliver a confident, well-organized presentation on a single monitor while keeping complete control of your content.